Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S here with another reaction? And today we're here with Demarco. That song called, a music video called Dawkness. So we see the war been going on, but I don't think this is a war song. So we're gonna jump in the one and here with the G. I say anyway, war or no war, we're jumping in because you don't say Demarco they're on fire right now. We to talk about what have to talk about artists in the clash right now. So let's jump in the one and here with the G. I say let's go. Shut up fire already. Let's go.
All we know are just darkness.
Darkness,
yeah. And the talks them heartless, yeah. Short man them get with dark like when road a pave. Wheel the rifle like when soda wave a bowl of brave.
Bumbleclot. All we know are just darkness. Right now them getting with dark. So obviously you don't know it. This is a gunman stock. The man say, yo, them get me dark like when road a pave. Picture that. Just picture that. Wanna get it all now? Alright. Remember when you put down tar on the road, you know? Tar is at the blackest form when it just go up on the road, when no car drive on it. So it proper black. It dark blue. Let's go.
All we know are just darkness.
Let's go.
Darkness, yeah. And the talks them heartless,
Yeah.
Short man them get with dark like when road a pave. Wheel the rifle like when soda wave a bowl of brave. Show your tone a race, pussy pick on the one a grave. Dog a phone a face, gun in a hand a stone a waist. No cone.
Bumbleclot. The boss just start and him start chop already. Him a chop, brother, him a chop.
Dark like when road a pave. Wheel the rifle like when soda wave a bowl of brave. Watch how your tone a race, pussy pick on the one a grave. Dog.
Watch how your tone a raise. Pussy pick your own a grave. Lower your voice when you talk to me. Lower your bumbuck. Hey boy, what I wanna? Hey boy. Lower your voice when you talk to bumbuckler bad man. Yeah? Yeah? Alright.
Yeah. Short man them get with dark like when road a pave. Wheel the rifle like when soda wave a bowl of brave. Watch how your tone a raise, pussy pick on the one a grave. Dog a phone a face, gun in a hand a stone a waist. No cone a change, dog money over your so throw out any court case. We no sniff.
After we put four in your face, make you say amazing grace. We have money over here, so we throw out any court case. We not got prison feet. Buy your case.
Coke your butt with the any coke chase. When we locate, send them pussy they go cold place. Barrel rotate pan the spinners and left no time ready.
Barrel rotate pan the spinners, no left no case. Remember say the spinners not drop speng shell at ground, you know. The spinners keep the speng shell in the barrel. You have to open it and throw it out. Yeah, don't ask me no. Police, don't ask me no. Don't leave me alone. Let's go.
Kate said them pussy they go cold place. Barrel rotate pan the spinners and left no time ready. Telling me rifle that a pint pan your jelly. You know see your mama done sign for your berry.
Your mother know say you go bury now. Your mother know say you go bury. So you hear what? She signed already. Remember, you know, she know.
Said them pussy they go cold place. Barrel rotate pan the spinners and left no time.
Correction, yeah, so barrel. So he must say the spinners not left no trace. Which me explained earlier on. So it wasn't case, it was chase. The spinners not left no trace. Can't pick up nothing and lead it back because the speng shell not drop once again. You understand?
When we locate, said them pussy they go cold place. Barrel rotate pan the spinners and left no time ready. Telling me rifle that a pint pan your jelly. You know see your mama done sign for your berry. Tell them all time no in a no long talking. Anytime when ready, them drop location done find them already.
Then drop location. And I call with bluff. Guess what? We find them already. Cause them not bad. Them not bad at all.
Anytime when ready, them drop location done find them already. Big gun me bust no pipe that no special. Tell them bad man no in a no long talking. From your fuck with crow, you buck your toe. Pussy you.
From your fuck with crow, you buck your toe. You go drop. From your fuck with crow, you go drop. All I want ya. Buckler. All that.
Big gun me bust no pipe that no special. Tell them bad man no in a no long talking. From your fuck with crow, you buck your toe. Pussy you go give away your life, you go below. When them man they step you be frightened up, you know. Bullet in a head and you tripe and guts for sure.
When them man they step, you're frightened. Dup you know. I'll dup you know. All dopey see the man they step and frightened too. Yeah. Graphic, crimey.
When them man they a step you fi frightened up, you know. Bullet in a head and your tripe and guts for sure. From the 20s got to wild time. We bust gun, get girl farm. Pop, pop.
From the 20s go right back to wild time. Guess what? We bust gun and we get girl too. Plus we have money. Don't left apart there. We have money. For fun with lifestyle.
From the 20s got to wild time. We bust gun, get girl farm. Pop, pop. Fly down, Falcon, to the girl shan. When we step 30 and strong, see where I'm time.
Fly down, Falcon the bird. We fly. Yeah, fly down, Falcon, straight to the mansion.
Fly down, Falcon, to the girl shan. When we step 30.
Girl shan, not wife that one. Girl shan him said, not mansion.
Get girl farm, pop, pop. Fly down, Falcon, to the girl shan. When we step 30 and strong, see where I'm time you ready. Telling me rifle that a pint for your jelly. You know see your mama done sign for your berry. Tell them all time no in a no long talking. Anytime you ready. Them drop location done find them already. Big gun me bust no pipe that a no special. Tell them bad man no in a no long talking. Shot man them get with dark like when road a pave. Wheel a rifle like when soda wave a bowl a brave. Watch how your tone a race.
Wheel the rifle like when soda rave my bowl and brave. So this look like is a one verse song. It's a one verse song because at the same verse in gone back in again.
With dark like when road a pave. Wheel a rifle like when soda wave a bowl a brave. Watch how your tone a race. Pussy pick on the one a grape. Dog a phone a face. Gun in a hand no stone a waist. No code no change. Dog money over here so throw out any court case. We no sniff coke here but with the any coke chase. When we
we not sniff coke but with the henny coke chase. Coke the drink. Yeah, we not sniff coke. But with the henny, coke chase. Bad. Bars.
Money over here, so throw out any court case. We no sniff coke here, but with the any coke chase. When we locate, send them pussy, they go cold place. Barrel rotate, pan the spinners, and left no time, you no ready. Telling me rifle that a pint for your jelly. You know see your mama done sign for your berry. Tell them all time no in a no long talking. Anytime you no ready. Them drop location, done find them already. Big gun me bust no pipe that a no special. Tell them bad man no in a no long talking.
If I'm a King Cam shoot,
Big up King
this
Cam.
is not shoot good, brother.
King Cam outside that do it, man. King Cam put in the work in, man. Yeah, big up yourself. Obviously, this is not a diss track, so we don't need to elaborate a lot on it. You see me? This bad though. This bad, Marco. Big up yourself. This bad. But you're gonna need to reply to Marcos. Yeah, no. We need a Marcos reaction. It's still see it. Yeah, we need a Marcos reply. And fully bad. Yeah, and fully bad. Yeah, we need that. So, do the do. I make the do the do. You know what? Yeah, that's how we there. 6 million. Hashtag 6 million in the comment section. Leg. Put up your money, the man say, I go down in a... big up yourself. This is what I want to say. If you enjoyed the one, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you want. I'll see you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.